Welcome to my channel. If your Nighthawk router login page is not opening, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix the issue and access your router settings. 1. Make sure you're connected to the router. You must be connected to your Nighthawk Wi-Fi network, or LAN cable PC, laptop. Turn off mobile data. Disable VPN temporarily. Instead of typing common addresses, check your router's actual IP. On Windows, open Command Prompt. Type routerlogin.net, look for default gateway, enter that IP address into your browser. On Mac, System Settings Network Details Router. Use the IP shown there. 3. Use Incognito or another browser. Open Chrome in Incognito, or try Firefox, Edge. Clear browser cache if needed. 4. Restart router and modem. Turn off router. Turn off modem. Wait 60 seconds. Turn on modem first, then turn on router. Try accessing the login page again. 5. Try wired connection. Connect Ethernet cable directly from router computer. Then open the router IP shown in default gateway. 6. Disable firewall, antivirus temporarily. Sometimes security software blocks router access. Temporarily disable VPN, firewall, web protection. 7. Factory reset. Last option. If nothing works, hold reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for reboot. Connect to default Wi-Fi. Access the router using the default gateway IP. Default login usually, username, admin, password. If the login page still doesn't open, comment your exact Nighthawk model below and I'll guide you step by step. Thanks for watching. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.